Okay. Let's go find some fossils.
Larry, it's cold.
Yeah, pretty chilly. But it's a nice spring day. Look at all the flowers on the trees.
Yeah, but it sure is cold, Larry. You're nuts. We're gonna go down that trail over there. I didn't know it was gonna be so. You know what? I know a way how to keep you warm. Running keeps you warm.
Yes.
Right?
Yep.
Hey, if you run, it'll keep you warm forever.
Okay, be careful though in the woods. Because you could trip over something. Oh look, here's a sign that tells all the kinds of fossils you can find.
Whoa. Oh, look at shark's teeth.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what Larry's talking about.
Look, a squid thing.
Where?
That pointy thing above the shark's teeth. Squid guard.
Whoa, I want to get that. You know, if I find some, like, I want to try to get that one.
Yeah.
Like, and I'm going to bring it to school. Because my teachers say that I could talk about stuff. I mean, you have to dig under here? Under here, Larry?
Huh?
Under here? Larry, under here?
Squid guard. Okay, we'll see which kind we find and then we'll compare them, okay?
Where?
Huh?
I'm going to go down here and see. See what we get. This is good clear water.
Yeah.
Look at this screen. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Can we dig?